Includes one 48 vehicle end connector and one 12 trailer end connector. Includes 6 splice connectors. Wire functions printed on wire for easy reference. Corrosion-resistant terminals. Meets SAE standards. Fit type: universal fit. Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation makes your towing experience simpler and more rewarding through innovation and value. Hopkins offers a variety of towing solutions including vehicle wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems and much more. Today, more than 40% of retail category sales are generated from Hopkins innovations. A 4-wire flat is the most commonly used trailer plug. This plug is found on small boat, utility, jet ski, snowmobile, and small camper trailers where right turn, brake, left turn, brake, tail, marker lights and ground is needed. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to connect trailer light wires. Good quality material for all weather protection.